This is probably the most important thing to understand with money, something we weren't taught at school, which really frustrates me. I'll tell you why in a second. Compound interest is far more powerful than most people realise. It's the reason someone on an average income can retire wealthy. Today, I'm going to tell you all about compound interest and why it's crucial for you and your financial future. But first, I'm going to tell you why I'm so frustrated. We weren't taught about compound interest at school, and this boils my blood, to be honest. Let me tell you one of the reasons why. I invested £500 a month into a stocks and shares ISA at the age of 18 for 6 months, but I stopped and spent all of my money on a lad's holiday to Ibiza. Huge mistake. This was down to a lack of financial education and because, well, I was clueless with money. Let's say I was taught about things like compound interest and inflation at school. I know for a fact I would have invested from 18 to now, so that's a full 24 years. If I got average returns of 10%, that would mean I would be sat on £594,000. And looking at that huge amount, £450,000 is made up of interest earned. This is the power of consistent investing in an asset like index funds, the power of compound interest. Let that sink in for a minute and let me know below if you are like me. Does the lack of financial education in schools drive you mad? The simple definition. This is going to be a simple investing video, but it's very important. Compound interest is just this. You earn returns, you reinvest those returns, then you earn returns on the returns. Basically, it's interest on top of interest. That's it. It's not complicated, it's not hard maths. It's simply growth on top of growth, as I've said. And over time, that creates something really powerful, something most people don't fully understand. The £10,000 example. Let's put this into real terms. Two investors, two brothers called James and John, both start with £10,000. Both get the same 7% annual return, but James takes the gains every year. His brother John leaves the money invested and reinvests everything. After 20 years, James is fuming because he ends up with the 10k he started with. But what about John? Well, because he understood compound interest when he started, he let his average 7% return compound over the 20 years. He ended up with around £38,000, 28k more than his silly brother. Same investment, same return, the only difference, time and reinvesting. Have I mentioned the importance of compound interest? This little video is part 2 of a 10-part playlist, giving you all the info you need to get started with investing. If this info resonates, hit subscribe so we can build wealth together. Why this matters in the UK? Because in the UK, we have something really powerful. We have access to a stocks and shares ISA, something that most of us, if we admit it, take for granted. I'm like most people, I like to have a little whinge about how bad the tax system is, to be honest. But we do have tax-free wrappers like an ISA or a SIP here in the UK. I'm focusing today on a stocks and shares ISA because it's my favourite tax-free way to invest. Anyway, inside an ISA, your gains are tax-free, your dividends are tax-free, your compounding is uninterrupted, which means every pound is working for you. It keeps working for you year after year. And this is why the ISA allowance is one of the greatest wealth building tools in the UK. Not because of what you put in, but because of what time does to it. You might have guessed I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. Time is more important than money. Most people, when I talk about things like this, like anything related to financial literacy, well, they switch off, especially my poor wife who hates our finance chats. All she wants to do is retire at the age of 42 and walk our little dog Teddy. But for anyone serious about investing, I'll soldier on. Let me show you something most people get wrong. Two investors both invest £500 per month regularly. Both get the same returns. Let's use 10%, which is based on historical averages. One invests for 15 years, the other invests for 30 years. One gets 206k, the other gets just over 1 million. The second investor doesn't just end up with double, they end up with nearly 5 times as much. That's the power of time. This is why starting early matters a lot. Just imagine if I'd have kept investing from 18 to now, I'd have nearly 600k sat in my index funds in my early 40. How to actually use compounding. There are 3 simple rules to use with compound interest. Just to be clear, I didn't pluck these rules out of thin air. I've read hundreds of investing books over the last 6 to 7 years and watched hundreds, probably thousands of YouTube videos that just say I'm a bit obsessed with investing. Anyway, 1, start as early as you can because time is the multiplier. as I've touched on. Even small amounts matter. 2, reinvest everything. Dividends, gains, monthly contributions. Let it snowball. 3, avoid big losses. Compounding only works if your money stays invested and keeps growing. This is why diversification matters. Long-term thinking matters. Not chasing hype. Slow and steady wins every single time. Go against the herd. Most people try to save their way to wealth, but just saving gets you nowhere, in my humble opinion. Compounding is exponential. Saving is you plus effort. Compounding, your money is working for you while you sleep, while you work, while you live your life. This is how ordinary people build extraordinary financial futures. So the question is, has this video worked? Type yes below if you understand how important compound interest is after watching this video. Summary. So, if you remember one thing from this video, let it be this. Wealth is not just about how much you invest, probably more about how long you stay invested. And this is only part 2, because in this playlist, we're building your investing knowledge step by step. So you can keep watching this 10-part playlist to learn how to invest and build wealth with confidence, or you could learn all about my favorite way to invest, which is index investing. And to learn all about it, step by step, again, see below for another playlist. This is only a 5-part playlist, and yes, I am trying to get you to watch as many videos on this channel as possible, because it helps me build this channel, helps me help more people who weren't taught about money or investing at school.